Now let's do this. Let's try this. You have your DF. Okay, let me just display it again. Sometimes you may perform some computations or activities and you have some additional records and you may want to add them here. So if you want to add records, you can do this. You can add new columns. You can also add new rows. All right. Those are things that you can do. So let's do this. First of all, let's try this. Let's add a new column. Okay, let's add a new column. So if you want to add a new column, now we are adding just one, so I will remove the plural. It's very, very simple. Let's just say these are the metrics. You also want to add an additional metrics. Let's say an error. Okay, you can also add error. Then let's say you have the record already. Let's say you have the error. Let's say error equals, let's put it in a list. But we have covered list in detail. So for the list data type, if you want to learn more about it, just to the description box, there's a link to a video that shows you how to create lists and manipulate them. Okay, so that's it. Now let's do this. So we are adding columns, so that means that the number should be the same as this records here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6, okay, because we have 6 classifiers. So let's just say 0 0.1, 0 0.12, 0 0.01. Okay, I'm just putting them like this. 0 0.2, 0 0.5, no, not 5, let's say 0 0.31, like this. Let's do it like this. This is just an arbitrary number, all right? So don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add another one, 0 0.001, like this. So we have our list, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So if you want to add your column, first of all, you need to have your record, and that is what we have here. And now you can add it. All right, so you can say df, and just bring it here. Let me redo it. So I can say df error, that's the new column, equals error. Now I have defined the error. There's the error. I have defined it here. There's a variable. All right, I have assigned it to this value. So me using this variable here means I am using these numbers. All right. Okay, so you can also just assign it straight away, and that's also fine. But for now, let's do it this way. So I'll just execute this command. Okay, it's done. So if you don't want this one, then you can just clear it and rather paste your entry there straight away. I'll just do a copy and paste. For those who are comfortable with this approach, you can also do it this way. Okay, and that will also work. All right, so that's about it. So let's proceed. Okay, so for now I've already assigned it, and so I can do it this way. I can just say df, and I'll get that one here. So there's it. Okay, we have that also here. So this is how we add columns. Okay, so this is the new table. We have the new column there. Okay, so that's about it.